Okay, this little short video is about the packaging. So each little face mask gets a tag in it that says sterilize first. So the person knows that, you know, they can't verify that the person who made these doesn't have the COVID virus. So they're all, after I assemble them, I put them through the washer, bring them back up here and iron them. And then after they're ironed, they are assembled like this. Okay, fold it in half and rotate around, and then put this over it so it's packaged up like that. Sterilize first so they can't get it out of the bag and put it on without seeing that tag. So then when I put it in the bag, I put it on the side without the white labeling, so it looks like that. Alright, so I open all the bags first because that takes a lot of time. And then each one is folded in half, wrapped. Put the sticker on, or not the sticker, the little label. Some bags don't have the white on them, which is good. Squish the air out. If you make 300 of these, too much air is a problem. So there we go. And those were the 2 large. This is the 9x6. I don't have these labeled as the size. It's just that I normally know. This one here is going to be tricky. One's a 9x6 and one's a kid size. Might have to write that on these 2. Okay, the kids I don't fold in half because they fit right down in the little bag. Maybe I'll be able to tell that. The fact that it's not folded in half. There we go. And that's how I package them. So now when they're given to someone, they are ready. And I only give these usually to hospital workers who aren't actually waiting on the patients. They aren't the nurses. More people to wear to the grocery store. And so usually I give people 4 or 5, maybe a Walmart worker, the postmaster. And so then they can just pull the strings in the back and take them off and drop them in the washing machine with their other clothes when they come home. And so this will be in the series. It's a whole face mask series.